Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I'm very glad to review this sample provided by Otwoioi. So this is a women bracelet kit, and it has four different um, bracelets. So they are made of cubic zirconia. This one, for example, you can adjust it here on the bottom. It's a knot. It's very pretty. Is 14K gold plated. The material is cubic zirconia. This is another one. This is very pretty. You can also adjust it here to your arm. This is how it looks. This is another one. This one locks in, and this is how it looks. And this one that looks like a chain. So this will look like this. It's very nice. You can beat it for the price. It's awesome. It also makes a nice gift. I recommend you check them out. And this is very nice. I enjoy it. Just take care of it. Don't put harsh chemicals. Don't put it in water. Make sure you remove it before working out. And I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.